In the world of kitchen appliances, an immersion blender can be a game changer for home cooks and professional chefs alike. This Hamilton Beach Professional Electric Immersion Hand Blender is designed to elevate your culinary experience with a combination of power, versatility, and convenience. This review delves into the features, benefits, and practical applications of this impressive tool, helping you determine if it's the right fit for your kitchen. At the heart of the Hamilton Beach Professional Immersion Blender is a robust 300-watt peak power motor. This motor is designed to handle a wide range of kitchen tasks with ease, from blending soups to whipping up creamy dressings. With this level of power, you can expect efficient blending and consistent results, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this immersion blender is its ability to blend, puree, mix, and whip with precision. Whether you're preparing a smooth puree, blending a hearty soup, or whipping cream for desserts, this blender has you covered. Its powerful motor ensures that you achieve the desired consistency quickly and effortlessly, making it ideal for a variety of recipes. The Hamilton Beach Immersion Blender is designed with user comfort in mind. Its one-hand variable speed control allows for easy operation, even when you're busy with other tasks. The non-slip rubber grip ensures that the blender stays securely in your hand, providing comfort and control as you work. This design feature makes it simple to adjust speeds from low to high, depending on your blending needs. For those who value precision, the LED screen on this hand blender provides instant speed feedback. This highly visible illuminated display shows the current speed level, allowing you to monitor and adjust as needed. Whether you're starting on a low speed to minimize splatter or increasing to a higher speed for quicker results, LED screen enhances your control and accuracy. One of the most convenient aspects of the Hamilton Beach Immersion Blender is its ability to blend directly in your pan, bowl, or jar. This feature eliminates the need for transferring ingredients to separate containers, saving you time and reducing cleanup. Simply immerse the blender into your mixing vessel and get to work, whether you're making a smoothie in a mason jar or blending soup right in the pot. The blender comes equipped with two essential attachments, a stainless steel blending wand and a whisk. The blending wand is perfect for purees, sauces, and smoothies, while the whisk is ideal for batters, eggs, and whipping cream. The interchangeable attachments are easy to attach and remove, offering versatility and convenience for various kitchen tasks. After using the Hamilton Beach Immersion Blender, cleanup is a breeze. The stainless steel blending wand and whisk are both dishwasher safe, allowing for quick and hassle-free washing. This feature ensures that you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations. The compact design of this immersion blender makes it easy to store in your kitchen, even if you have limited counter space. Its sleek and efficient design means that it won't take up much room in your kitchen drawers or cabinets, making it an excellent choice for both small and large kitchens. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful motor, 300-watt peak power motor for efficient blending. Versatile use, handles blending, pureeing, mixing, and whipping tasks. One-hand operation, easy variable speed control with a non-slip grip. LED speed feedback, instant display of speed level for precise control. Direct blending, blend directly in pots, bowls, or jars for convenience. Dishwasher safe parts, easy to clean and maintain. Cons: limited attachments. While the blender includes essential attachments, some users may find the accessory options limited compared to other models. Noise level. The motor can be relatively loud during operation, which may be a consideration for those who prefer quieter appliances. Conclusion: the Hamilton Beach Professional Electric Immersion Hand Blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool that excels in blending, pureeing, mixing, and whipping. With its 300-watt motor, one-hand variable speed control, and LED screen for speed feedback, this blender offers both performance and convenience. Its ability to blend directly in your pan, bowl, or jar eliminates extra cleanup, making it a practical choice for busy kitchens. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, the Hamilton Beach Immersion Blender provides the power and flexibility needed to handle a variety of culinary tasks. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.